Right guys, I can't just go out without doing outfit of the day, and my trousers is not ironed, and I don't have time to iron it because literally I have 10 minutes to catch the train. And I know I am early, but I like to be early anyway. And my train is 10:36 and it's now, oh my god, 10:25, so I better go. Right, that's our outfit for today. This is another Zara trousers number. John Lewis Goella Longchamp, John Lewis, and my old accessory, my old hairstyle, and that's me. Outfit of the day. Right, let's go, let's go. Hi. Do you have this inhaler?
Inhaler is here.
Oh.
And we have this one as well.
No.
That one the size.
I like this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that. I like the.
You want to see?
Yeah.
It's the same, but it's just only color.
Yeah. Oh, that one is. Yeah, I know. I like this one. How much the?
$1.99 for one.
So 199, 2, 4, 6. So I'll just get all of this. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy this one.
$1.99, yeah, ish.
I'll just put that on my bag.
4, yeah.
Yeah.
$7.96.
Thank you so much.
Pen. Thank
you.
Yeah, not bad, no, I think that's what, just pop it.
Do you need any more help? Talc and powder anymore, but I do a talc alternative.
You don't do that Johnson's talc anymore.
It's not talc anymore. Johnson still make powder, it's just not.
It's called City Brawn.
Yeah, they do. They change it all the time. Some products back to them, but.
Akala ko naligaw ako. Hi, bakit?
Akala mo years hindi nagkita. So, tinanong ko siya kung pure. Mostly kasi na restaurant, powder. Pure mango daw. Oo, fresh mango. Kaya sige.
Mag-vlog muna si
Ano lang naman yan? No voice over.
Pero na disappointed ako.
Oh, hi! Ay! Hello, girl! Ay, hindi ko alam. Kasama siya. Sana trinay ko nag-message si Josephine. Ano kasulahan mo, ma?
kasi dito lang siya malapit eh. Miss na. Tagal tayong nakita na.
Kaya nga hinila kita kasi surprise ko si Annalyn. Ay, sinabi ko ba sa'yo kasama si Annalyn? Hindi, ano? Hindi ko sinabi, parang surprise kita.
Parang galing na ako ng Pilipinas. man, bagay ka man, Pilipinyana. Tapos, nasaktan talaga ako. Parang si Judy na lang, ewan ko late na.
Cheers. Wala butiri.
Oo. Pero, alam mo, pag tuwing pumunta namin dito, which is every Sunday, kami dito na lunch eh. Every Sunday, tapos
Kailangan silang sabaw.
eto kala ko nga last year may movie, hindi pala na. Muna yan. Ang sa amin ngayon, yung isa yung palaging wala sila kunin mo ngayon. Yung sa likod, itong sa amin, try namin yung analing ewan.
Picturean mo bago ko kainin.
Parang bihon. First oh, hello! Adyo!
Saging daw to, may hari naman to.
Sa akin. Ayan, o sige. Tapos akong gawin mong model.
Oo, yan.
Di ba mo?
Hello guys, I hope you can see me better, no? Because I changed to wide angle. I'm gonna put something in there because I feel like I got big tummy. What do you think? Diba lumabas ako? And, oh, banggitin ko na rin pala guys, itong bag na to. This is from Longchamp. This is becoming my everyday that I cannot live without. This bag is tiny but mighty. And wait for it. Meron siyang terno. Yung katerno niya, meron siyang laman na mga essential, mga bandage, mga tissue, yung mga pangpaganda, andi dito. Maraming malalaman nito guys, marami din siya. So dito meron tayong mga tissue, mga tiny lipstick, yung parang inhaler. Kasi tumatanda na tayo, yung mga kailangan natin, hindi na pabango ang nilalagay, yung mga puro mga ointment na no, ito din. Tapos nilalagay ko din dito yung mga susi ng bahay, car keys, whatever. So, ayan. Wala sa plano to na kasali to sa video, but since na ito rin ang suot ko kanina, so ipakita ko na rin sa inyo. So, that's that. So, nagpunta ako ng Thai shop, yung Thailand shop ba, kung saan kami nag-lunch. Bumili na rin ako ng ito, yung mga artista sa Pinas, ito gamit nila guys. Yeah, ito gamit nila. Ano bang tawag dito? Oh, ito yung pangalan niya. Ayan. Dahil mura lang kasi siya, binili ko na. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, mga 7 plus, 7 pounds something. So, binili ko na lahat. Kasi minsan kasi nauubusan sila ng stock eh. Meron akong gamit dito. Ipakita ko nga sa inyo para makita niyo talaga. Kasi wala na kasi itong laman eh. Paubos na siya. Handy kasi siya sa mga hay fever ba. Yung allergy season. Sa buntot nito, meron din siyang laman. Pag may kagat-kagat kayo, ganyan nyo lang. Yan. Mga artista sa Pinas, ito yung gamit nila. Binibili ko na to bago ko pa sila nakitaan ng ganito. No? Sabi ko, oh my God, gamit ko yan. Sabi ko, gaya-gaya kayo. Yung kulay guys, walang pinagkaiba. Parehas lang siya. Ano lang talaga. Maganda lang siya sa bag. Tingnan. Bumili na rin ako ng mascara. Do I need it? No, I don't really. But I thought it's handy when the weather is not weathering. Like for example, today it's raining. Sometimes your lashes goes down. This is from L'Oreal. Million Lashes. Sabi maganda daw eh. Hindi ko alam. Nauso yung Longchamp na bag. So my friend Terry went to Thailand just recently. And then nakita ko yung bag niya. This is from Thailand. And nakita ko, sabi ko, Ter, I like your bag. Sabi niya, oh no, this is not real. This is from Thailand. I'm sorry sa Longchamp company, no. Pag nakita nyo to in person, it's better quality than the original. I mean, where is mine? Ito yung sa akin, di ba? Manipis. Ito yung fake na Longchamp. So sabi ko kay Terry, akin na yung bag mo, di ba? Ayaw mo naman. Kasi sabi niya, naliliitan daw siya sa size. Sabi ko, hindi, maliit sa akin yan. May mas maliit pa nga ako nito eh. Ito nga, yung brown, no? So akin na lang yan kung hindi mo gamitin. Ito nga, nag-lunch kami kanina. Sabi ko, dalhin mo yung bag. Makapal pa siya. Ito ang nipis. Ito makapal. Eh, ito yung Thailand na hindi siya totoo. May sign ba? Longchamp. Oh, meron din. Parang totoo talaga siya. Meron din siyang parang kabayo-kabayo dito. Ayan, no? Pero ito daw, fake daw to. Sabi ko, hindi siya mukhang fake talaga. Tapos may ano pa siya, may strap. Pero I don't think I'm gonna use the strap, no? Maybe I will. The reason why hiningi ko siya, guys, kasi nga, meron akong sapatos, ganito ang kulay. From John Lewis. Oh, by the way, hindi ako nakapag-vlog sa lunch namin kasi nag-enjoy lang talaga kami, nagkwentuhan, quality time. Minsan kasi pag nag-enjoy kayo sa company and each other, you forgot to pick up a camera. Respeto na rin sa kanila kasi although I'm doing YouTube, alam nila yun. Hindi sila comfortable ba unless you ask permission. Pero ayoko na magtanong, no? Pero unless na magsabi sila, oh, ba't hindi ka nagbablog? So, then I will vlog. Pero sometimes kasi pag diniman nila, oh mag-vlog ka, parang wala na akong gana. Gusto ko yung vlogging ko, yung parang gusto ko siyang gawin dahil gusto ko siya. Yeah, we had a lovely lunch. So my friend Judy, yung love language niya talaga ay through baking. So nagbe-bake talaga siya, baker talaga siya. And then, mainit-init pa to guys. Yeah, mainit pa talaga siya. Nag-bake siya ng hupya. Tamang-tama, umuulan ngayon. So, ito yung ano, mainit-init pa siya guys. I wash my hand by the way kanina. So, ayan, hupya. That's the, supposedly guys, I have unboxing to do from Uniqlo, but sabi kasi 1 o'clock arrival, hindi dumating. In order ko lang naman sa Uniqlo ito lang naman siya, pero nag-order lang ako ng simprint at saka puti. Kasi natakot ako ba, baka hindi na sila mag-stock up after. Inaabahan ko yung damit yung dress version nito, pero wala na talagang size. Naka-stock ako halos araw-araw sa Uniqlo. So, that's that. So, ito na nga guys, dumating din. So, hindi pala siya yung white. Para siyang ano, cream. Okay lang din. That means match siya sa H&M cardigan. See how much I love this thing. I order small kasi crop kasi siya. Ayaw ko yung maiksi sa akin. So, syempre, in order ko yung isa din. Parehas lang din sa sinusuot ko lagi. Hindi ko ginamit yung ano, microphone ko. Kaya, ayan. Diba? Oh, this one turned up seems to be cream as well. Yung original ko, ano yun? White. Yeah. Yeah, it is cream. Pero yung una ko, white. Okay lang siguro din. Yeah. That's it. I love this stuff. You know, like, wash every other day and then the next day I'm gonna wear it again. This is what I'm going to wear every single day. The reason is may built-in bra kasi. Tingnan nyo. Meron po itong ano dress version. Tiningnan ko sa online, wala nang size. Ayan, like it's my daily uniform in my house. Yeah, I love it. Pag naluma na to, at least meron pa akong bago. Gusto ko lang din sabihin sa inyo guys na I know I've been uploading recently like almost every other day. Gusto ko lang na baguhin yung upload schedule ko. Probably Friday, 8 o'clock in the morning UK time. Hindi ko alam anong time yan sa Pilipinas. Ano bang time yan sa Pilipinas? Siguro 3 or 4 afternoon in Philippines, I think. Babaguhin ko na yung upload schedule ko kasi the reason why I have so many to upload in YouTube because I accumulate so many footages. Some of footages are raw. Pinagkukunik-kunik ko lang yan. So, because I wanted a storage of my iPhone. So, ngayon na bumalik na ako sa pag-vlogging. I'm going to do like a quality content rather uploading like every other day, tapos hindi naman maganda yung vlog natin. So, upload schedule like every Friday, once a week or twice a week. But I don't want to promise anything, but definitely try to upload Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. hope you guys continue supporting my small channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Bye! See you on my next vlog.